Hello guys, welcome back to this video. So what we will do in this our next video, on this video we will do like questioning and answering. Yeah, questioning and answering. So guys, we will like ask a question and answer the question on a guitar. So it's like you're quarreling like or arguing with your, let's say, your girlfriend or boyfriend or someone who has made you feel bad. So it's like you are arguing. So we will like using the concept here. So like we will do this on our pentatonic scale. Yes, on our pentatonic scale, and also by the help of the major scale will help us to do all this. So as we know, our pentatonic scale is here on our 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12. So I think we should, before I give you that, what you should know, everything which we are doing from our roots. Our root is the one making us to do all this stuff. So without our root, we can't do them completely. So what I will do here, it's like we will descend from descending to our not our root. So we will like answer the question like we are asking a question. Okay, so as usual we need to combine these notes to sound musical. So this is how it sounds. So let's start from the beginning so that you understand what I'm meaning. So that's what I mean. So if you have noticed, I've combined this and this to make something new from here. So I've used the minor pentatonic scale to make something new from here, from the beginning. So as always guys, if you want to know this stuff, subscribe so that you don't left behind, and you keep on improving on your skills on how to do, because I'll be sharing my skills, my techniques. Yeah, so let's continue guys. So like on the minor pentatonic scale, what I'm doing, I'm going descending. So I think we should add something there. So like let's try adding this. Let's try adding something like that one so that it becomes our root. Yeah, also. It's also here. So you see it is also here. So let's see how it will sound. concept have I used there? I've used questioning and answering. So it's like I'm asking a question. Why did you do that? Then I'm answering. No, let's like this. I'm answering like this. I'm asking a question like this. Why did you do that? Then the person is answering. What? Like something louder, like I'm saying something loud. Like I've done this because of this and this. Like you're raising your voice, the concept there. So this one, if you notice, this one is like in a low octave, and this is like in a higher octave. So you hear the difference. Yeah, something like that. So let's let us add and see how it sounds. So okay, let me explain here first before we do that. So in our major scale, so here our root is this one on our major scale on the 12th fret. So we'll use this tone, then answer with the our then the same. So we will use chords to take us, like to drive us, like to escort us. Then you answer the question. Why did you do that? I did that. Like what can it go like? I didn't do that. Something like that, yeah. So so to make this enjoying, guys, I want you guys like I want to interact with you more, guys, like to know your progress, to track you down, like to track you in your progress, in your guitar journey progress. So to make this fun, more fun, and like to say to like I'm trying to give you guys an assignment. Like I'm giving you guys an assignment. So I want to make this effective by you like posting it on your story, on your Facebook story, or Instagram story, and you just tag my name. So I'll leave my link, my Instagram link or Facebook link. So you tag me on your story, then I will post you on my story, so that and I'll leave comments on the story. So this will help you guys to like to double task your growth, because we will interact more, and I will see your progress and comment on your progress, and it will make you like do something different. Like it's like I'm giving you an assignment, but it will be more fun, more of fun. So we're trying to do more fun things. So you will see the progress by the end of this month. So I want you guys like to set goals, like to set goals, so that you be able to have products, like to have mavuno, harvest. Yeah. So I believe this will work, guys, and it will make you grow faster and have techniques and doing things. So you will come up with your own things. You will see the growth. Yeah. So guys, please don't forget to join the family, because you'll miss a lot of great things, guys. So this is why you should join the family, because east or west, home is the best. And I believe by the end of this month you'll gain something. You have your own techniques, great things ahead, guys. So let's play along and see how it will sound.